Okay, so here is the go-kart, and I'm tired of this thing working reliably. Basically, currently, it's one-wheel drive, as you can see. This just spins freely, and because of that, I have no traction. So you might remember this thing too. This was the first go-kart, except the engine was cooked. Don't buy an engine from an old man. And I'm gonna try and get this axle off and throw it on there. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut this weld, and now just pry it up. It pops the second weld, and there you go. I've got my 2 bearing carriers. So now I've just got to remove the axle from that. Yay! Now in here it's going to be a lot more difficult because, well, it's a nice big solid weld, as you can see. I mean, I might just have to cut it right here and just leave this little part. Though I don't know if that would be easier. Probably not. I mean, look. There's a bunch of crap welded to it. What I'll probably have to do is just cut it here and there and just use this part as a frame brace and put the actual axle a tiny bit behind it, like here. That's probably what I'm going to do, just make a cut here. Though it depends how thick this is. Doesn't look like it's very thick. First though, I'm gonna go drive this a lot. Okay, so I've gone ahead and got a way better filming setup. Also, it's now running on 93 octane. And I made a little custom adjustable carb screw to tune it better. Okay, I've gone ahead and lifted over here. So now let's cut that up. I feel really bad doing this. The first step is going to be getting the engine off because I've got to cut from the bottom here. And to do that, I've got to flip it over, and flipping it over with an engine is a bad idea. Okay, look. So if I were to remove it how I want to, here you can see it's a pretty important... Oh, look, there's a spring here. Look at that. You add that back. Anyway, yeah. This kind of holds the engine plate in place, so I would cut it here. But then I would have to cut through this hardened rod. If I cut it like here, there wouldn't be a rod, but there would be this. I'm thinking though. Oh my god, I can. Here, hold on. Is it coming out the other side? Hold on. I think it's all just one. Yeah, it's just one big rod. There you go. I did not expect there to just be a rod in there. But I could just replace this. Ow. With this. You can see they're the same length. Actually, hold on. Oh my god. Look. This thing just fits in there. I might not even have to modify the frame. So if I decide to do this without bearings, all I have to do, like, look, this spins in here just fine. So I would just have to put a little thing there to stop it from coming out. I mean, there wouldn't be a bearing here, but it's just super strong steel, so there's no resistance or anything. Even with all my weight on there, there's no resistance. It spins just fine. Probably rattle a lot. But yeah, for a first version, this would be just fine. Later, what I would probably do is cut it right here and right here, and then add a little extended piece with a bearing right here. But for now, I'll just do this. This is amazing. First off, I actually get the axle. First off, oops again. Off you go. Go again. That's perfect. Stop it. Well, I've got the camera up on my helmet now, so my face is right here, and you are right here. Now, here's the new two-wheel drive thing. I've just welded more crap on there, and as you can hopefully see, it works. So let's do this. Let's drive. Prime it by putting a bit of fuel in the filter. This is slipping. Holy crap. Okay, do I have to get a stick? Do I have to get a stick? Do I have to get a stick? No. No. There you go.